Yeah, buddy. Heavy duty formula with scrubby texture. And good morning. It is just another day, but last night, it looks a lot better in the daytime. Last night I had a hair up my bum and was like, man, I should really detail this engine bay, clean it up. But I didn't get all this obviously yet. We're gonna do that in this video. I did start on the hood, the underside, and it looks good. I'll try to get a before picture. I don't know if I have any, but I'll try to slap one up on the video. And here's what I used. STP's cleaning and engine degreasing wipes. I probably went through about 10 or 15, but these things are like $3, I think, and they work miracles. So I'm actually gonna be using this on the rest of the bay, probably here, all this, just to keep me busy today. It's Friday, have the day off, ain't doing too much. Cooling ball's still holding up nice, so that's good. But yeah, so we're gonna film that, and but first I'm gonna go get me a Gatorade and a coffee. So I'll let the engine warm up, make it a little bit easier to clean. You don't want to run in hot, obviously, but just warm should be good. So let's do that, and then yeah, see you in a minute. Just to give you guys an idea of the clean I'm talking about, I mean, this was just a wet towel going over the hood, just to get anything extra, any excess off. Alright, so now that snack time's out the way, engine's nice and cool. You know, you don't want it extremely hot. Let's go ahead and get to cleaning. So if you see on these wipes here, these are basically what you're gonna be pulling out. It has a nice smell to it too, but yeah, so just fold these guys up and get to scrubbing. And there's your end result. I mean, who would have known that my paint was that color underneath there? Definitely a form of a miracle wipe. Kind of got the back firewall area there. You see, got most of this spot looking pretty good. I do need to figure out how, well, I'll figure out, but get some hot soap or hot soapy water to kind of go through all the coolant hoses and whatnot. But yeah. Then I actually want to paint this thing eventually. But not too bad. I'm more impressed with how these areas came out. I mean, good. And for finishing touches, don't forget, grab your Rub-a-Dub Media gear at rubadubmedia.com/store. All right, so it's day 2. I did clean up the hoses just a bit. As you can see, kind of went over them with the wet cloth, soapy water. But I also did another thing. There's something missing right here. Let me show you. So my windshield washers never worked. So we pulled this guy out. Yeah, hashtag weight reduction. For those of you guys that are looking to disconnect this, if you want to do the same or something similar, it does free up some space, and we're going to clean under there as well. But it kind of sat here. Actually, excuse me, sat this way. Your line was running here and then up and through to feed into the nozzles. There was a connection here. I did pull that plug and just kind of just put some electrical tape around it. There were 2 bolts here. So you unscrew those, empty it out, and then here's the line that was feeding into it. So we pulled that out. Now we're just gonna clean up under here and then get one final picture and call it a day. But yeah, looks a lot nicer, has some more room. Again, that tank was kind of rough looking anyway. The lid was all cracked. And then obviously that ugly thing that we took out in the last video. So let's finish cleaning up and do one final shot, montage, whatever you want to call it. Hood's still looking clean. And then we'll call it a day. And there you have it. Nice and cleaned up. So we took out the windshield washer fluid, took out the arm here, that, you know, the prop for your hood, cleaned up everything else, cleaned up underneath the intake. That's nice and clean. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell for when new videos come up, and use Rub-A-Dub Media to purchase cool stickers like this. Code ridesnvibes, 15% off. Until next time, peace out.